The National Electrical Code requires that the main service disconnect for a dwelling be capable of being operated in 6 or fewer moves from any point outside the dwelling. This requirement was first introduced in the 1971 National Electrical Code. It is important to note that the National Electrical Code is a minimum standard, and local jurisdictions may have more stringent requirements. In Aurora, Colorado, the local electrical code adopted the 1999 National Electrical Code, which includes the requirement for a main service disconnect that can be operated in 6 or fewer moves. It is possible that the local code in effect at the time of construction did not include this requirement. However, the current code in Aurora requires it. To support a claim that the requirement may not have been in the code at the time of construction, firstly, a copy of the 1975 National Electrical Code can be obtained from the National Fire Protection Association. Secondly, contact the City of Aurora Building Department to inquire about the history of the local electrical code. It is unlikely that a G load center panel board is compliant with the current code, as it does not appear to have a single main disconnect switch that can be operated in 6 or fewer moves. The options are 1. Install a compliant panel board. This would require removing the existing panel board and installing a new one that meets the current code. 2. Obtain a variance. It may be possible to apply for a variance from the local building department. This would allow continued use of the existing panel board, but it may be necessary to install additional safety measures, such as a remote disconnect switch. It is generally advisable to comply with the current code, even if it is more stringent than the code in effect at the time of construction. This ensures safety. Contact the City of Aurora Building Department to discuss the options and determine the best course of action.